The next question I'm going to direct to Shelley, and it's actually a straightforward one. It comes from Sandy in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and you touched on it early on. The question is, can grant money be made available to support the efforts of cities to adopt smarter zoning codes that permit walkable neighborhoods by right?
Sandy, hello, a little shout out from the White House. Absolutely. In the Notice of Funds Available that DOT and HUD collaborated on, we joined up something we call the Challenge Grant Program with a planning function that the Tiger II program has appropriated, and created a pool of funds that communities can seek to do more detailed land use planning, but also to prepare and adopt the codes that would allow sustainable and livable communities to happen as of right, without additional permission for each individual project. I think that Secretary Donovan's big priority is to find ways in which we can make it easier for the private sector to be able to invest in these kinds of projects and actually help us implement this big vision. And one of the biggest barriers, which I know you know about, is that often the rules of the game, the local zoning codes, actually prohibit the kind of development that we'd like to see. The mixed use, the higher density housing, or the different housing products, the local services, the local public spaces, the character and quality of communities that we know attracts people to live back in cities or live in suburban communities, live in small towns. And often the zoning codes are one of the key barriers that we hear, and this is a set of funding that can be used specifically to develop new zoning codes.